Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking fresh pineapple in the air fryer. So what we need is fresh pineapple slices. Sorry, cut the pineapple. If you need help on how to cut a pineapple, I have a video for that as well. Just please see a link in the video description. So here, fresh pineapple slices. You can slice it however you want, any shapes you want. And now let's put them in the air fryer basket. So put them in the air fryer basket. Now I don't season the pineapple. I feel like it's already naturally sweet, so tasty as is. But if you're looking for additional seasoning, you can add cinnamon and honey. That goes well with pineapple. So now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through its cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket. And I'm going to flip them over so they cook evenly. So just shake it and flip them over. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let the pineapple finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this grilled pineapple. It looks amazing. So nicely browned. Now let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. So you can have it as a healthy dessert, or you can put it as a topping on various foods. You can have it with ice cream. You can have it in a salad. If you'd like, you can season it with honey and cinnamon. This is so good and healthy and delicious and so easy to make. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. It tastes amazing. So nicely brown and caramelized, warm, naturally sweet, so delicious. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other very easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!